Today we are with a famous Irish novelist, Oscar Wilde's story. What's the story? The story is The Happy Prince. Oscar Wilde died only 46 years age. Oscar Wilde was born in Ireland in 1854 and died in 1900. Oscar Wilde is famous for his play The Importance of Being Earnest, and his famous stories are The Selfish Giant, The Model Millionaire, and other stories. But this story, Selfish Giant and The Happy Prince, are world famous, and they are in different pattern. Though Oscar Wilde wrote in the pattern of short story, but they became in many parts rapid reader, otherwise drama, otherwise short story and dialogue story, dialogue and monologue. Here we are with the story of The Happy Prince. West Bengal Board Class 8 has selected the story as a dramatized form, and Class 6 ICSE Board has selected it in a rapid reader play form. Actual story is a short story. So we have to go through and understand the story first. The story of Happy Prince. Happy Prince, a young prince, that's Happy Prince. When Happy Prince was young, all day he played in the palace and all night he danced and sang in the palace. That's the life, enjoyable life of Happy Prince. Now, after early death, young prince has died and the statue of Happy Prince is built on the city square. In the town square stands the statue of Happy Prince. When the spring was alive, he knew nothing about common people outside the palace of Sanssouci. But now, as a statue, he is sad as he saw the suffering of human beings and wants to help. But the prince is dead. He can't move. Now it is a statue. Who can help? Yes, the helper is the swallow. This bird, this swallow is helper. Yes, the swallow is getting goodbye and bid goodbye with his friends. And in cold season, the swallow is become migrator and moving to Egypt to get rid of cold. Previously, the swallow suffered much. Now, with his fiancée, he has permitted the grant to go to Egypt for happy life in the cold of Sanssouci or England. The statue of Happy Prince is fixed, but in the story it can speak with the swallow. A swallow on his way to warm Egypt stops to rest between the feet of the Happy Prince. Yes, this is the place. The bed or shelter of the swallow on the way of Happy Prince is the golden bed between two feet of the Happy Prince. The Happy Prince eye drop. Firstly, the swallow thought raindrop, but later he understood and saw the heart of the Happy Prince, and Happy Prince's eye drop made him awake, and the swallow was agree to help the poor according to Happy Prince's will. Now, first part, Happy Prince lived in the palace of Sanssouci. Second part, after death, the statue was placed on a tall city square. Here, the Happy Prince could see everything, every dirty thing. that he could not enjoy, or that he could not understood from the palace happy life. Now the statue of Happy Prince is fine one. This is the whole body with the gold lips, the eyes are with the sapphire. That means blue diamond from India, and the sword hilt is with red ruby. Precious statue, gorgeous statue. But heart is crying, heart is poor for the poor people and suffering ones. Now the swallow is flying from England to Sanssouci and going to Egypt, and there he stops and took shelter under the feet of the Happy Prince. Golden bed here, but raindrops. Then the Happy Prince was crying. Yes, the prince was crying, and this cry was understood by the good-hearted swallow. So Happy Prince told the whole story of his childhood, early age and present age. The swallow was impressed by the prince and agreed to help. So they first helped to a poor dressmaker, a lady, poor dressmaker. His son was suffering in fever and wanting for orange. So the swallow took the sword hilt's ruby and gave the poor dressmaker lady, as she could treat her boy and give him orange. Second help to a poor playwright. He had no wood, he was in cold, he was suffering, he can't complete the play as there was no money. So after deep request of the prince, one eye made of sapphire plucked by the swallow and donated to the poor playwright. Third help to a poor little girl who was selling match. All her matches drowned and spoiled. He had no shoes in the winter, in the snow road. The little girl was suffering, and another eye, sapphire from the another eye was taken by the swallow and given to the poor little girl. This girl was donated the sapphire. And now the Happy Prince was already going to Egypt. His friends reached to Luxor, and he is in the dream of the blue river Nile. Here the pyramids and the camels. But from the first good job of the swallow was warned, and ornithologists were astonished. The swallow was drowning and swimming and taking bath in the cold river, as the swallow felt the warmth of doing good for the first job. Now first job, second job, third job was complete. Now the prince is totally blind. So now the swallow is not ready to go, leaving the prince alone. Now the swallow promised to stay with the prince forever. Now he is floating over the seas and showing the sorrows where the rich people are enjoying and poor people are suffering in hunger. So the gold leaves were donated to the poor people. Young boys are fighting to keep them warm. So they also donated the gold leaves from the body. All the leaves are gone. The statue is now pale, only the lead body. Then the councillors, mayors demanded to break the statue, and everyone wanted their own statue with the lead of the prince. But it was too hard. After boiling the lead, they threw it away. Then the God sent the angel. This angel was sent by the God. Sent the angel and told to collect the most precious item from the earth. The angels collected the heart of the statue and the dead body of the swallow. Yes, the god was pleased and promised the happy prince to guard his garden in the paradise, that means Eden's garden, and the swallow to permit to stay in the God's garden and sing whole day. Yes, this is the story of Happy Prince. The Happy Prince was very happy before death. After death, he saw the ugly of the city, and when the statue donated everything and the statue was smashed and the swallow was smashed, they again got their happy place in the heaven. That means heaven's garden, Eden garden. Okay, goodbye. Do good jobs to stay good and help good. Goodbye.